Alrighty guys, so welcome to the much requested and anticipated card reveal. This was David Parr's card trick on Penn and Fool Us. It completely blew them out of the water. They had no clue how it was done. And that video that I posted totally blew up. As of now, it has 50,000 views on YouTube, which is just awesome. I really appreciate it. And I would appreciate if you guys could give that support to this video as well. I also have a donation link down below, which you guys could donate to me if you guys really enjoy my content. Alright, let's get right into the trick. Alright, so most of you guys have probably already seen this trick and have come from the Fool Us video. But if you guys haven't, then I'm going to be performing it really quick to you right now. So to start off the trick, David Parr shows off his deck and makes sure that all the cards are completely different in the deck. And he shows all of the audience that it is different. Then the host Allison does the exact same thing, shows all of the cards are different in the deck. And then they both shuffle the cards. These are both completely shuffled packs, and the audience and Penn and Teller both know that. Alright, so from here, the magician places down a packet of cards. The host does the exact same. Then the magician places another packet of cards down. The host does the exact same. From here, they switch cards. So they take the top card, place it on the top of the blue pile. They take the blue card and take it on top of the red pile. And then they both put their packets of cards on top of those cards. Then they switch card piles. David Parr spreads out his cards across the table, finds the one red card that Allison chose, places it off to the side. Allison does the exact same thing, spreads out the cards, find the one blue card that she put in the deck, sets it to the side. And then for the final reveal, David Parr flips over his card, and the host flips over her card, and they are the exact same cards. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so there is a setup for this trick, which is the only part that is a little bit difficult, but it's actually not even a bad setup. So what you're going to need is duplicate cards, but you don't have to have them duplicate because they are from different decks. So you have one blue and one red card. I just chose the Jack of Diamonds for now. Then what you're going to need is some double stick tape. That is going to be the thing for this trick. Let me see if I can get the right angle. You see right there, it's a little glare, and there's some double stick tape on the front of the card. It is hard to see, so nobody else can see it. And the last thing you're going to need is going to be a crimped card. This can be any card in the entire deck, and you just gotta bend it just like this. Just kind of crimp it like that, and you should have it like a little V shape or a bird shape or something like that. I don't know. Now all you're gonna do to set this up is going to be taking your red double stick tape card, and you're going to be putting it on the bottom of the red deck. Now you're going to be taking the blue Jack of Diamonds, which is the duplicate, right? And you're going to be placing that underneath the double stick tape card, okay? From here, we're going to go about 15 cards up. It does not matter, but about this much, and it has to be in the bottom packet. So when you shuffle, you'll end up with the crimp in the middle. So you're going to lay the crimp card down just like that, and the red duplicate card with the red deck on top of the crimp card. Place the bottom packet with the double stick tape on top, and you're all set up for the trick. The blue deck has no setup whatsoever. Alright, so to start off the trick, you're going to be showing the whole deck, and that it is completely different, right? And all you're going to do is you're just going to kind of block push like 2 cards just so they don't see the 2 jacks in the deck. Because there's a rare chance that they'd see that, but you know, just to be safe, just block push a tiny bit of cards like that. And then you can show the whole deck. They won't be able to see the double stick tape. Your spectator will do the exact same. For everything that I do, the spectator is just going to do, so we'll just leave it there. Now you're going to shuffle the cards, and this is the literal only one move in this entire trick. What you're going to do is you're pretty much going to hold on to 2 to like 5 cards at the bottom. This is kind of hard. I usually use my middle finger, and I just kind of block push, but from like an opposite angle, about this much cards, okay? And you're just gonna kind of slide off these 2 packets at the same time. You'll see the 2 to 5s right here, and then like 1 card or 2 cards here, and then you're just gonna kind of just run it off like a normal shuffle. It does not matter. Now from here, at this point, you should have this crimp card. You can see I've made it pretty obvious that it's bent. You should be right in the middle, and you should have this giant break, so if you like just relax your hand, it should split apart, right? So when you ask the spectator to cut their cards, all you're gonna do is just gonna cut about half of where the actual crim card is, place on the table. Spectator will do the exact same. Now in this time, you're gonna actually cut right from this crim card. So this is the crim card, you're gonna cut below that, okay? Not on top of it, but below. So it should make a natural break, right? And you can do this as like a misdirection. You'd be talking to them, and you can just kind of feel it, right? And I just cut right to it. And you're just gonna place that right on top of the half pile that you've already cut, right? So now you're all set up. You have your spectator's card right here, and they're just gonna have a random card right here, okay? This is where it comes in, right? So you're gonna go ahead and just take the top card, which is the jack, right? And you're gonna put that on top of their blue pile, and they're gonna do the exact same. Take this random blue card on top of the red card. Then when you guys square up the cards, you're gonna take this, and remember, this again is going to be the double stick tape card, right? And below that is gonna be their blue card, right? So whenever you place this down on top of their blue card, it's just gonna stick, right? So then all you have to do is just apply some pressure whenever you hand it over to your spectator, right? They're gonna do the exact same thing. There's no double stick tape, obviously, on this pile. And it's all set up. And now you're done with the whole trick. They spread out their cards. They show the one blue card in their pile. You spread out your cards, and they show the one red card, I can't even see it right here, in their deck. And then you flip them over for the reveal, and the exact same card. It's a super simple card trick, I'm telling you guys. Anybody can do this. There's just that one tiny move that you have to do, and there's just the setup, which you have to memorize, right? And this is an amazing opener trick. This is just an amazing trick in general, because it did fool Penn and Teller completely, and they had no clue how to do this trick at all. So it's by far my favorite card trick of all time. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see some more card trick, Penn and Teller, Fool Us reveals, then drop a like down below, and let's get this video to like 150 likes. But with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, comment, donate down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.